Chapter 7. Water. Water. Water is the most common liquid on Earth. It covers about 71.4% of the Earth. It is found in all states of matter, that is solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor, or steam. It can be changed from one state to another by changing temperature. Water vapors. The droplets of water vapors present in the air are called water vapors. Water from the sea changes into water vapor due to the heat of sun. When these vapors' temperature decreases, they turn back into tiny drops of water. The water cycle. It is very cold in the higher sky. When the water vapor that rises from the land goes higher, they cool down and make clouds. There are millions of tiny drops of water in clouds. When these drops pass over the clouds, they cool down and join with other drops of water to form big drops. These drops of water are very heavy and they cannot stay in air, so they fall down as a rain. Rain falls on the earth. Rainwater runs into streams and rivers. These streams and rivers flow into the sea. The water from the sea evaporates due to the heat of sun and goes into the air. Types of clouds. There are 3 types of clouds. High clouds, cirrus, cirrostratus, cirrocumulus. Mid clouds, altostratus, altocumulus. Nimbostratus. Low clouds, cumulus, stratus, cumulonimbus. Mist and fog. Small droplets of water suspended in the air are mist or fog. They can be seen on cold, clear nights. They can also be formed over the sea. Snow and ice. The tiny droplets of water cool down in the clouds and form ice. A piece of ice is called crystal. These ice crystals grow bigger and fall on the ground as snowflakes. Groundwater. When it rains, the rainwater flows along the ground and is absorbed in the ground. It is gathered in the spaces among rocks. This water is called groundwater. Well. A structure created in the ground by digging to reach the ground water is called well. There are many types of well. Water usage. Drinking water. Washing hands. Watering plants.